friends, welcome to Chemistry Gems. In this video we are learning aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the meaning of substitution is replacement of an atom or group with other atom or group is known as a substitution reaction. And what is the meaning of nucleophile? So it is a chemical species that donate an electron pair to the electrophile and they form a chemical bond in any reaction. So nucleophile are made with two words. First is nucleo, second is phile. So nucleo means nucleus and phile means loving. So these are the positive charged loving species. And in other words, we can say that these are the electron rich or the negative charge species. Now, aliphatic means it contains simple carbon chain and it does not obey Huckel rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi rule. And what is the meaning of aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction? When any nucleophile is replaced by living group in an aliphatic compound is known as aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. And in general, this is a nucleophile and this is our substrate C, R1, R2, R3 and L is a living group. So the reaction will be nucleophile R3, R2 and R1 and this is L, that is living group. In general, this reaction is followed and in any reaction if nucleophile act as a solvent, so this reaction are known as solvolysis reaction and there are two mechanisms. First is SN1 mechanism, second is SN2 mechanism. So SN1, in this 1 means unimolecular N means nucleophilic and S means substitution reaction. And SN2, 2 means bimolecular and N means nucleophilic and S means substitution. And in this video we are learning about SN1 mechanism. So start with SN1 mechanism. So take an example of T-butyl bromide. And in this nucleophile is OH negative and they form T-butyl alcohol and this is nucleophile. So the reaction is followed by C, CH3, CH3, CH3 and Br. This is T-butyl bromide and OH, this is a nucleophile. When they react, so they form CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH, T-butyl alcohol. And SN1 mechanism is a two-step process. So the mechanism of SN1 is mechanism step first. Step first is a slow step and rate determining step. in this T-butyl bromide, that is CH3, 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 Br. When the reaction is formed, they form carbocation. CH3, CH3, CH3 positive plus Br negative. And this step is a slow step. And the second step is step second. This is a fast step. In this carbocation is react with the nucleophile. So CH3, CH3, CH3 positive plus OH negative. So they form T-butyl alcohol. So this is a two-step mechanism. Now we study evidences of SN1 reaction. So first evidence is kinetics. So SN1 reaction is a first order reaction. So for the reaction, in this rate is equals to K into substrate. In this we see that this is our substrate. In this we can saw that only substrate is included in first step, and this is a slow step and rate determining step. So there only substrate is present. So the rate of reaction is depend only on the concentration of substrate. So this reaction is a first order reaction. So there is a strong kinetics, that is it is followed by SN1 mechanism. And the second evidence is stereochemistry. Second evidence is stereochemistry. So in this SN1 reaction, there are some racemization and inversion is present, because the carbocation there are present CH3, CH3, CH3 positive, and the nucleophile, that is OH negative. This can attack both the side, from this side or either this side. So there are 5 to 20% inversion are present in racemization. So most of the time backside attack is preferred from the leaving group. So this is the preferred side, which is preferred by OH negative, because this is the backside from the leaving group. Third evidence is formation of rearranged product. So the example is MeCH Cl CH double bond CH2. So when the reaction goes to ETOH, so they will form MeCH negative. Cl is a leaving group, so CH negative, CH double bond CH2. And in this, if this double bond is rearranged, so the rearranged product is obtained, that is MeCH double bond CH single bond CH2, and this minus sign transferred to this CH2 negative. And from this the normal product is obtained, that is MeCH OET CH double bond CH2, and from this rearranged product is obtained. So Me CH 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 CH2 OET. And in this, from the single substrate, there are different products are obtained. So this is the form of first order reaction, and this is the evidence of SN1 mechanism. And the fourth evidence is no substitution at bridgehead carbon. So this is bridgehead carbon, and in this reaction is present between KOH, ETOH and reflux. So there is no reaction present because in the SN1 mechanism there are some carbocation are present and these are planar structure, but bridgehead carbon has no planar structure because they have a rigid structure. So in this no reaction is present. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video we are studying about SN2 mechanism and their evidences.